How to fix Snapchat, your account has been locked for violating community guidelines. So while logging into your account, if you get the problem of your Snapchat account has been locked for violating community guidelines, then what you can do is simply open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. You can choose any browser. And then you need to search for Snapchat support. Once you search for Snapchat support, here you will have this kind of interface. Go for the first, which is Snapchat support. And here it will take you to this kind of page, right? So choose the second option, which is my account is compromised. And then here you need to choose the second option, which is I can't access my account. And then choose the first option, which is I think my account was compromised. And if you scroll down here, you will have an option of this feedback, right? So you need to enter your username on the first blank, and then the email address on the next, and your mobile number on the third blank. And under the description, you need to write that hi Snapchat team, and not being able to log into my account. So while logging into my account, it says that I have violated the community guidelines, but I have not violated any community guidelines. And you need to simply write the feedback or the problem, express the problem, and then you can scroll down and you can tap on submit. And once you tap on submit, your problem will be sent to the Snapchat support and you will get the help. So that's how you can fix the Snapchat. Your account has been locked for violated community guidelines. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.